Welcome to my channel. This is the day 2 of SQL challenge on LeetCode. These are the SQL challenge questions. So first day was the select clause and I have made already the video on these questions. So let's see about the day 2 in which we are going to see select and order clause. So first question is calculate special bonus. Let's see what it is. So this is the question, calculate special bonus, and the table is employees table which contains employee ID, name and salary, and of course employee ID as a primary key for this table. And this is a single table on which we have to write the solution. So we have to write a SQL query to calculate the bonus of each employee, and the bonus of an employee is 100% of their salary. 100% of their salary means the salary is as it is as bonus. If ID of the employee is an odd number and the employee name does not start with character M. So the bonus of employee is 0 otherwise. And we have to return the result table ordered by employee ID. So this is the employee ID and this is the bonus. Let's see the solution for this SQL problem statement. So first of all, the condition is the bonus of employee ID or employee is 100% of the salary if and if the ID of employee is odd number and employee name does not start with the character M. So we are going to find or write the solution for this question by using CTE. So first of all, we will create a CTE given as the name CTE1 as we are going to select here the odd number ID employees and their bonus. So select what they have told us, employee ID salary as bonus. Let me check the spelling. Okay, from employees where the employee ID it should be odd number, so employee ID percentage by 2 is not equal to 0, and so they have told us and the employee name does not start with the character M, so name like M. So I have put here name like, but the condition it should not start with the character M, so I have to put here name not like M. The next condition is the bonus of employee is 0 otherwise. So apart from this both condition, the bonus of the employee should be 0. So let's write the CTE 2 for this condition. Select employee ID 0 as bonus from employees where employee ID percentage by 2 is equal to 0 or name like M. So this was the CTE2. Now we have to combine those both CTEs, CTE1 and CTE2. So I will write another CTE3 to combine the result from this both. So select all from CTE1 union all, select all from CTE2. So this will create the union of these both conditions as our answer. but okay, let's run the code. Let's see the code as let's see the code. This is a syntax error at line 9. So we just write three cities and run the code, but we forgot to write this last wala select statement. So select all from city 3 and let's run the code. So let's check what exactly the difference between the output and expected output. So employee ID and bonus, the column names are same. Values are also almost okay. 203080. Yeah, the values are also same, but the only thing is not right is the sequence. So for this sequence we just change here. We will write here order by, and they have given their expected output in the order by employee ID. So we will write the condition, the employee ID ascending, and let's run the code again and let's check the output. So yes, the output is accepted, that is it is logically right. So this is how the CTEs are very useful to write the solution for complicated SQL queries. So it will better if you understand how to use CTEs for different complicated SQL queries, which will help you very well. Let's see the next question, which is a swap salary. So this is the question number 627, swap salary. There is only one table which is called salary, contains columns 9, ID, name, sex, salary, and obviously the ID is the primary key for this table, and the sex column is type of enum, that is male, female, MF. So we have to write the SQL query to swap all F and M values, that is change all F values to M and vice versa with a single update statement and no intermediate temporary tables. And there is a note that we must write a single update statement, don't write any select statement for this problem. And they have given the input output format with the explanation. So just observe input and output table. The ID, name, salary are on their own place, original place. There is no swapping between them. Just swapping between them is column 6, which is male, female, male, female, and this is female, male, female, male. And the condition is that we have to write only one single statement, call as update. So let's try. So firstly, what we have to update is the table called salary, and in this salary table what or which column we have to update, this is the called sex column. So set sex is equal to, so to set the values of updated column sex, there is a condition, whether there is a male we have to put female, or whether there is a female we have to put male. So we will write the case statement here. Case when there is a male, then female, otherwise male, otherwise keep it as a male. And we will end this statement, and let's try to run the code what the output is. Okay, let's see the difference between the output and expected output so that we can understand in better way. So the column names are here, which are same, values are here, that is M, 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 and FM, FM, FM. Okay, so the we have put, so let's try with this. When there is M, then F, otherwise keep it as F. Now the I think logic is right. Let's run the code. Okay, what the difference is here? F, F, F. So the F is all over in the sixth column. So here is one mistake we have done in the code, that we have not given the name to the six case. So let's give them as a six. When M, then F, otherwise keep it as M, which was the right logic. Just we forgot to name the case column. Let's try. Okay, so we have forgot to name the sixth column to the case statement. And let's see the last one from day 2, that is delete duplicate emails. This is the delete duplicate emails, the third question in the day 2, which is based on the select and update. So we have to use delete statement here. So let's see the question. The table given is person table, contains ID and email. ID is the primary key for this table, and we have to write the SQL query to delete all duplicate emails, keeping only one unique mail but with the smallest ID. And note that we have to suppose write the delete statement and not select one. And after running the script, the answer shown in the person table, the driver will first compile and run your piece of code and then show the person table, and then the final order of the person table does not matter, which was obvious. So this is the input example table and this is the output example table. We have to delete the duplicate emails with their IDs, but we have to keep the record with the smaller ID other than duplicate emails with the duplicate emails with the different IDs having the ID greater than the smaller. So let's see the example and let's see the solution here. So in this case, the single table is given, that is person, and we have to write the solution for this to remove duplicate emails. So we have to write first delete statement. So delete from table, that is person. As I told, we don't have to delete the single column or single column value. We have to delete a whole record which is having the duplicate emails, whenever having duplicate emails. So we will make the two alias for the single table to compare it one by one with the duplicate IDs. So first I will write here delete from person P1, person P2. So delete P1 from person P1, where P1 dot email is equal to P2 dot email, and the next condition is P1 dot ID should be smaller than P2 dot ID. So we have to keep the P1 ID smaller. So we will write here P2 to delete from. And let's see. Okay, so the solution is accepted, which is logically right. So when I will write P1 here to delete from the table, then the comparison between these will change, and I will keep the smaller ID between the P1 and P2. So the greater ID, that is P1 dot ID, should be deleted. So I will run the statement again. So yes, this is also logically accepted. So yes, in this way we have to think before writing any solution, and write down in the comment section if you are able to write this question or this query with the count function, and let me know in the comment section. So in this way we have completed these 3 questions from the day 2 part, select and order. The next video will be on the day 3, that is string processing functions.